Well, I'm going to try and set a rope. I was thinking lower at first, but this is one of the easier accesses. Not that it's easy, but I'll put a throw line up and set the rope. Looks like I got it. First throw. A little bit of how I do what I do and what I use to do it. Didn't intend to set it this high up, but it's fairly open. I'm going to tie off to the base of the tree I'm climbing with a clove hitch. What I've been using. You have to make sure it's not going to slip off or settle in much. Finish with a few half hitches. For the third, just to be safe. Yep. Well, I wasn't going to climb with a flip line. I changed my mind. Had my wife go in and get it for me. There are a couple of pieces of dead wood up on the limb I'm hooked in on, tied to. And this is what I've got. I've got hitchhiker. Nice little piece of gear. Nice piece of equipment. Works real slick. Hybrid system. Mechanical with a prusik cord. I'm using a Petzl Basic set up above the hitchhiker on the rope with a foot loop. I'm still working on dialing in the length, the way that it's going to work for me the best, but it's close to what I want. I'm going to give it a go today and take a look at it. Got a little hand loop made out of nylon, thin nylon strapping. Again, still working on the length of it, get it fine-tuned the way I like it. I've got CMI foot ascender. And I have a little sledgehammer tied on the bottom of the rope, and it's been a huge help to me to have some kind of a weight tied on, so the foot ascender advances easier when I get started. That way all the energy goes into climbing and I'm not trying to work the foot ascender up. So it seems to work real well. I'm going to get hooked in. I'm going to be climbing real quick here. Okay, I did also want to mention I've got a beat up loop runner. Shoot it up with my chainsaw a little bit, but it's good for a little lanyard to advance the hitchhiker. I've got the little coat hanger hook, a loop on the back of the hitchhiker, little snap to advance it. I've got a beaner on my rope bridge. Seems to help as far as how it works and lines up for me. Hooked into the steel beaner on the bottom of the hitchhiker. Seems to work pretty good. Just a foot loop. And a foot of cinder. Should be ready to go. That's it. Okay. The other nice thing about this is the pencil basic with the wire gate revolver can be used as a 3-to-1 advance. To slip off the foot loop. Hanging on the belt. Pick up my climb line. Push that basic up. For a 3-to-1 advantage. Pretty slick. Never one to waste an opportunity. Got to cut some deadwood while I'm up here, right?
Right.